Syracuse. Hey, Central New York. So you're thinking about selling your home and you're about to meet with me or around Syracuse Realty and you want to know what the listing process is. Well, before we list your home, we're going to enter into a listing agreement. This will allow us an opportunity to prep your home in order to put it on the MLS. So this agreement outlines our partnership and gets us started. Then down the road, we'll sign the exclusive right to sell contract. Once that contract is signed, per MLS rules, your home must be live on the MLS within 24 hours, unless we have a signed listing delayed showing agreement and negotiations, which must be posted. So, what is this pre-listing presentation and preparation, and why do I want to do it? Well, ultimately, it's going to get you more money for your home, and we're going to focus on making it show ready, which can include any or all of the above steps. Inspections. We recommend scheduling any inspections before staging and photography. This ensures that repairs that are needed are addressed ahead of time and no surprises later. Love that. So, staging recommendations. We'll connect you with a professional stager who will provide you detailed recommendations to enhance your home's appeal. While staging services are not included in my fee, they are highly recommended and will ultimately net you more money. So, final touches. Once the staging is complete and your home looks its absolute best, it's show ready, woohoo, yay! We're going to schedule our professional photographer and videographer to come out and capture all of your home's best features. Getting your home in front of the proper people is crucial. So we don't just stick your for sale sign and throw it on the MLS. We do strategic targeted marketing. High impact digital marketing. We run targeted ad campaigns across multiple social media platforms to ensure your house gets maximum exposure. This approach goes far beyond simply posting on my personal Facebook page. It is designed to reach serious buyers. Have you ever noticed when you're online and you're kind of searching for, say, a pair of boots, and all of a sudden they start popping up all over on your phone, your laptop, you're everywhere. That's what we do. So your home will then appear on major platforms such as Zillow, Realtor.com, and Trulia with enhanced content to attract the most attention. Buyers love information, and we provide it at every opportunity and avenue. So disclosures, we will review all disclosures with you up front, so buyers are fully informed about the condition of your home even before seeing it or making an offer. And remember, and this is crucial, we keep you compliant with all of New York State and federal disclosure requirements. So, this is it in just a nutshell, but feel free to reach out to me or around Syracuse Realty and we'll help strategize. Have a great day, Syracuse, Central New York. Make it a great one. Really?